What if I told you the most dangerous creatures on Earth don't chase you, don't roar, and don't warn you before they strike? They wait. They watch. And by the time you see them, it's already too late. These are 6 real snakes, each one more terrifying than the last. And number 1, it kills more humans every year than almost any other snake on the planet. Number 6, Reticulated Python. This is the longest snake on Earth. Some reach over 7 meters. It doesn't use venom. It doesn't need to. The reticulated python wraps around its prey and squeezes, slowly, patiently, until breathing stops. It has been documented swallowing adult humans whole. And right now, in the rainforests of Southeast Asia, one is probably watching something move through the undergrowth. It has been waiting for hours. Will not miss. Number 5, white-lipped green pit viper. Beautiful, perfectly camouflaged, completely invisible in the trees above you. The white-lipped green pit viper has heat-sensing pits between its eyes and nostrils. It can detect your body heat in total darkness. Its venom destroys blood cells and prevents clotting. A bite left untreated causes internal bleeding that doesn't stop. People walking forest paths at night have reached out to grab a branch and grabbed this instead. Number 4, Malayan Pit Viper. You cannot see this snake. That is the point. The Malayan Pit Viper's scales match dead leaves so perfectly that researchers have stepped directly on them without noticing. It is responsible for more snakebite incidents in Southeast Asia than almost any other species. It doesn't flee. It doesn't warn. It simply waits, completely still, until something gets close enough. Then it strikes faster than the human eye can track. If number 4 already has you checking the ground beneath your feet, subscribe right now. Because the 3 snakes coming up are responsible for thousands of deaths every single year. Number 3, Indochinese Rat Snake. This snake lives in cities, in your walls, under your floors, in your garden at night. The Indochinese rat snake is one of the most common snakes found inside human homes across Southeast Asia. It moves fast, faster than most people expect from a snake this size. Most bites happen when people reach into dark corners without looking. It is not the most venomous snake on this list, but it is the one you are most likely to actually meet. Number 2, Russell's Viper. This snake is responsible for more human deaths than almost any other species on Earth. Russell's Viper doesn't hide in jungles. It lives in farmlands, rice fields, and the outskirts of villages. Its venom causes kidney failure, internal bleeding, and tissue death, all at once. It is aggressive when threatened and strikes repeatedly. Farmers working barefoot in fields across South and Southeast Asia encounter this snake every single day. Many of them don't survive the meeting. Number 1, Checkered Keelback. You weren't expecting this one? Nobody ever does. The checkered keelback is found in rice paddies, rivers, and flooded fields across Asia, everywhere humans live and work near water. For years, scientists classified it as harmless, rear-fanged, non-threatening. Then documented cases began to emerge, bites causing severe reactions, envenomation, deaths. This snake is found in Bangladesh, India, and across Southeast Asia, in the exact places where people wade barefoot through water every day. It doesn't look dangerous. It doesn't act dangerous. That is exactly what makes it number 1. 6 snakes, all real, all documented, all found where humans live. The most dangerous thing about every snake on this list isn't their venom. It's how close they already are. Comment below. Which one surprised you the most? And if you've ever encountered a snake like this, tell us in the comments.